Object member functions in C++ make use of a keyword this to provide a pointer to the current object. In this lesson, I want to show you how the this pointer works, and you'll see some examples of its use later in the chapter. Here I have a working copy of class.cpp from chapter 4 of the exercise files, and I'm going to just take this getValue function and I'm going to move its definition outside of the class definition. I do that like this. And I'm going to print out the this pointer inside of this getValue so we can see how it works. I'm using %p, which prints an address. And then I'm going to come down here in our main where we're using the object, and I'm going to print the address of the object, and you'll see that it's the same. I'm using the ampersand to get the address of the object. And now when I build and run, you see that these addresses are exactly the same. So the this pointer is giving you inside of a function member, it's giving you the address of the current object. And so for example, if I were to have a separate object, call it object2, I'll say object2 here, and I'll do this part twice also. And I need to declare a class called object2, an object rather. And now when I build and run, you see we have two objects with different addresses, and each one of them in the getValue is getting a this with the correct address. So the this pointer is actually very useful in some circumstances. For example, when overloading an assignment operator, you want to pass a reference to the current object so that your assignments can be chained. We'll see some examples of this later in the chapter.